Hello, Snippet IT family. If you suspect your device is infected with a virus, there are a few effective steps to help fix the issue across different operating systems, whether you're on Windows, Mac, OS, Android, or iOS. Wide area network. Disconnect your device from the internet and networks alike. This is important because some viruses can spread or send out personal information when connected to the internet. Once offline, restart your device in safe mode, if that's an option for your system. Safe mode allows only essential programs to run, which can stop the virus from causing further harm. Automated virus scan. Run a virus scan using trusted antivirus software. Most devices, including Android, iOS, and computers, have security apps or built-in tools that can help detect and remove the virus. Be sure your antivirus software is updated to its latest version, ensuring it can recognize and deal with newer threats. Manually checking your device. You should check your device for suspicious apps or files. If you encounter something you don't recognize or looks out of place, uninstall or delete it. On mobile devices, while viruses are rare, it's still good to check for unusual apps when you notice unusual behavior from your device. Resetting your credentials. It's also a good idea to change your passwords after a virus attack, especially for sensitive accounts like banking or email, in case any information was stolen. At this point, back up any important files, photos, or documents, but do it carefully. Make sure they're not infected before saving them elsewhere. Factory reset or reinstall the operating system. If you're unable to remove the virus, you may need to reset your device. On computers, this might mean reinstalling the operating system. For mobile devices, you could perform a factory reset. Though, remember to back up your data first. You can use many applications such as OneDrive, Time Machine, and Google Drive, depending on your device. These steps can help to recover your device and keep your information safe across multiple platforms. If this video wasn't helpful in any way, I can only apologize. Hopefully, you can leave a comment in the comment section and the Snippet IT community will be able to help out. See you in the next one.